Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an absolutely amazing day. We've got another metal makeup for you, and this one is of course inspired by Metallica's Ride the Lightning, as well as an artist on Instagram that I follow called By Sully, who was inspired by another gal who I follow, Gabrielle. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. I start out by filling in my brows. One of you guys actually commented and said that I should try filling in my brows before my foundation and everything. So that's what I did, and I'm going in with the ColourPop eyeliner pen for this, which it works. Next, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Blurring Primer. Rub that in all over the face. For foundation, I'm using my current favorite, which is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream in the shade Light. You can use my code, which is just Alice, if you'd like to save money with Purlisse. And if you want a more detailed explanation of my face routine, I have a recent video on my channel that I just uploaded all about how I do a perfect base. Just gonna contour really quick with the Milk contour, or the Milk bronzer in Blaze. Going in with the contour today, honey, because we want to be full beat, full glam. Concealer, of course, this is the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in the shade Light. Pat that in with a fluffy brush. Cream blush, this is ColourPop Pretty Thing. Add some powder to set all of that. And I decided to throw some highlight on at this point, because why not? But now for the main event, the eyeshadow. I'm going to start out with priming my lids with Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'm going to be using a bunch of stuff for this look because it's kind of all over the place. But started out with the Ultraviolet Naked palette, throwing a neutral shade in my crease and along the lower lash line. And then I added kind of like a lightish, purplyish tone to kind of just make it look more purpley. Now I'm going in with NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Amethyst, popping that kind of around my eye, like where the crease would be, and then on the outer corner of the lower lash line, and sloppily just blend that in a kind of V shape, like a very blown out V shape, leaving the lid kind of open though. Went back into the Ultraviolet palette to set the purple, as well as just kind of put like a neutral or like a lightish shade on top of the lid. Next, I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. It's a graphic liner, so it's kind of tricky. It definitely took me a long time to get this, and a lot of looking at that reference picture. Now I'm just adding a light blue eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm using Marin water-based paint in white and a teeny tiny little brush to just outline the liner to really make it pop. Next, I went into the Ultraviolet palette again, and there's a really cute duochrome, like bluish, silverish shade that I popped in my inner corner on the lid, as well as used it to highlight. And now back in with the white, we're gonna draw our lightning bolts, which, again, takes some time, takes some practice, and a lot of looking at that reference picture, honey. Next, I went in with some blue eyeshadow and just patted that at my temples and kind of just all over the side of the face on top of the white eyeliner. Add a little mascara, some falsies, of course. And you guys saw in the intro I had a nude lip on. I also feel like this look obviously would look great with a black lip, so here we are with a black lipstick. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I really had a lot of fun with this one. It was definitely kind of an advanced technique for me, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!